Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Sometimes you may need to check which WordPress version are you using. So if you want to do that and if you want to check if your WordPress website is up to date, then you have come to the right place. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to easily check your WordPress version. So the first thing you need to do is log into the admin area of your WordPress website. Now on the dashboards page, scroll down to the bottom and you will find the thanks for creating with WordPress line. Next to it, you will see the WordPress version number. Now if you cannot find this information in the dashboard, then you can also find it using some other ways. So simply visit the front end of your website. Now on your website's homepage, right click on the page and then click on view page source option. Now different browsers have different words for it, but view page source or view source, you'll find a button like that. So click on that and then this will load the site's source code. So in order to find that, use the find option of your browser. In most browsers it's Ctrl+F or function+F and then search for generator. So when you search for generator, you'll land on the first result, which will be meta name equals to generator, content equals to WordPress and the version number. So this is how you can easily check which WordPress version are you using. Or in fact, you can use the same method to check WordPress versions of other websites as well which are built on WordPress.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.